NEET UG controversy, and it is July 8th, the big day for all the hearings to take place in the Apex Court. Let's dive right into the story at the beginning. Now, more than a month after the NEET UG 2024 row erupted over alleged irregularities in the exam and students took to streets in protests, the three-judge bench of the Supreme Court of India, in a much-awaited hearing, will be conducting a hearing on over 40 petitions demanding cancellation of the NEET UG exam on Monday. The National Testing Agency and the Union Education Ministry have taken a stand against the scrapping of the exam in the Supreme Court of India. The Government of India has made its stand quite clear on the NEET UG exam official after it filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court on Friday, stating that it would be unwise to scrap the exam in its totality because there is still no proof of large-scale irregularities in the exam. Now, the NTA too has filed its affidavit along same lines as that of the Education Ministry. These affidavits have been filed in response to over 40 petitions that have been filed in the Supreme Court of India since June 4th, 2024, the date NEET UG results were declared. Now, these 40 petitions have been filed by students from across the country who took the NEET UG exams, their parents, coaching institutes, public-spirited citizens and educationists who are questioning the credibility of this exam after reports of paper leak, irregularities in award of grace marks, cheating and impersonation emerged. The petitions demand a stay on the counselling process for allotment of medical seats on the basis of the NEET UG results. The Supreme Court has monitored investigations into the allegations of the NEET UG paper leak, re-evaluation and relook at the marks awarded to the students. Now, NTA submissions have also taken place wherein the NTA has admitted to instances of irregularities and malpractices in Patna and Godhra. They say that it's not a case wherein the entire examination process conducted across 4,750 centres in 571 cities have suffered systematic failure and is not vitiated by all the pervasive factors of unfair means or paper leak. Investigations by CBI into alleged malpractices in the NEET UG 2024 is currently underway. Cancellation of the entire exam will highly be detrimental to larger public interest, involving the academic career of lakhs of students who attempted the examination fairly. Ministry of Education, or rather the Union Minister of Education, what has his submission been? What has the ministry said so far? Well, Union of India is committed to protecting the interests of lakhs of students who attempted the NEET UG paper fairly and after years of hard work. After the conduct of the NEET UG examinations of 2024, instances of alleged irregularities and malpractices were reported, and the CBI has now taken over investigations in the case from state police. In the absence of proof of large-scale breach of confidentiality, it would not be rational to scrap the entire examination when the results have been declared. If exam is scrapped, interests of students who took the exams honestly will be jeopardized. Union of India also cites a 2021 judgment of the Supreme Court where the court refused to quash the entire examination process because it was not possible to segregate those students who adopted unfair means and others. This is the complete update of the entire controversy that is currently underway, what is going on and what is slated to happen today, July 8th.